Welcome back, folks. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I'm going to share with you a very, very simple technique to convert the data in a table or from multiple columns into one column. So, as you can see on the screen, this is a huge, let's say, table, and I want to bring this all data into one column. Very simple formula, and not even formula, it's just a technique. So first of all, let's have a look at how many total number of products we have here. It's around 117. So this means that we need to bring it down to 117 levels down, 117 rows down. Very simple. Now pay attention, it's very simple. Is equal to sign, and then let's go on the top in column B, the first cell in column B, and press enter. So this means that this information has been copied here, and now drag it to the end, till the very end. After that, we now will take it down to 100 and roughly 17 rows down. Let's say before that, you can see here the data has been completed. So I will remove this, let's say, row, and then I will select the whole data because it's still a function, copy it, and then I will paste it here as values. Control Shift V, or you can go to your home section, paste, and paste values. That's another way to do that. And now you can see all of those table components are in one column. Simple, isn't it? So we have converted practically all of this table, which actually started from here. Now remove now our functionality that we used. So we converted practically this table into this column. Simple as that. So I hope you enjoyed this simple technique, fellows. Do try it and let me know how did you do that? How did it go? And if you couldn't do it, please still write it so that I can explain it to you in another way. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that you can get regularly updates from my channel. I wish you all a very good rest of the day, and I look forward for your comments in the comment section and to see you in the next video. Till then, ta-da.